Hey guys, welcome back to HelpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you or be discussing with you budget car rental review. How does it work and some secrets. But first, check our special offer in the description. So let's get started. So budget car rental here operates as the sister brand to Avis. Now sharing the exact same fleet and parent company but targeting cost-conscious travelers with lower base rates. Now, it is designed to offer a no-frills, straightforward experience primarily out of the major airports and suburban centers. Now, the way it works matches the industry standard here. Now, where you reserve a vehicle online or through their app and choose whether to lock in a cheaper pay now rate or a flexible pay later rate. Because they share lots with Avis, you are often picking up the vehicle from the exact same facility, but you are redirected to the budget counter. When you arrive, they authorize a security deposit, usually between like $100 to $300, or on your credit card, which is fully refunded upon returning the vehicle with a full tank and gas. Now, tank of gas here. So looking at the main advantages though, the absolute biggest pro is the price. So budget consistently undercuts premium competitors. Now meaning it is a favorite for vacationers and families. Furthermore, here, if you sign up for their free budget fast break loyalty program, you get a dedicated counter or kiosk queue, allowing you to completely skip the massive regular lines at major airports. Though on the downside here, being a discount provider comes with direct trade-offs. User reviews frequently mention that because budget vehicles sit longer in rotation, you are more likely to get an older model with higher mileage and noticeable cosmetic wear compared to premium agencies. Additionally, customer service lines can get extremely backed up during peak holiday seasons, and their cancellation fees for prepaid pay now bookings are notoriously ragged. Now, when it comes to some insider secrets here, well, budget offers a highly unique mystery car booking option online. Now, if you select this class, you pay an incredibly low flat rate, often cheaper than the economy compact, and you are simply assigned whatever vehicle is left on the lot when you show up, which frequently results in completely random luxury sedan or crossover for pennies. Now, finally, if you want a reliable discount, avoid the basic web promos and look for budget's official partnership codes with organizations like AARP or Amazon, which consistently shave up to like 30% of the total bill and often add a free secondary driver. But in this case, that's about it. So, if you found this video helpful, hit the like and share button and watch our next video.